Imran Khan, nomination rejected for 2024 Pakistan elections. Surprising twist, Pakistan's election body rejects the 2024 nomination of former Prime Minister, Imran Khan. This decision marks a significant turning point in Pakistan's political landscape, causing nationwide shockwaves and stirring up controversy. Imran Khan, known for his charismatic leadership and sports legacy, faces an uncertain future in the country's political realm. The rejection has sparked heated debates and protests among Khan's fervent supporters, raising questions about political transparency in Pakistan. Meanwhile, opposition parties celebrate the decision, seeing it as an opportunity to regain lost political ground. As Pakistan moves closer to the 2024 elections, the world watches, awaiting the country's next political pivot. Regardless of the outcome, this event signifies a critical juncture in Pakistan's evolving democracy.